Hey guys, my name's Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So for today's video, I wanted to share two macrame beginner friendly projects. One is a wristlet keychain and the other one is a macrame coaster, which is super cute. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay guys, so for our first project, we're going to be making a fishtail braid wristlet keychain. So cut out 3 pieces of macrame cord at 36 inches each, and don't forget to get a keychain hook. I'm going to tape down my little keychain hook to make it easier to work with. And then taking one of my macrame cords, I'm going to make sure it's folded evenly in half, and I'm going to loop this onto my keychain hook using the lark's head knot. Make sure to do the same thing with the other 2 pieces. So with a wristlet keychain, I know that some people like to leave a space at the top and then they start their knots, but since this is a fishtail braid, when you remove the tape at the top, it gets like really loose and it just messes up the braid, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, so take your cords and separate them evenly in half. Now I'm going to take my cord on the right side that's on the outside and I'm going to braid that over to the left side. Next, I'm going to take my cord that's on the outside of the left side and I'm going to braid it over to the right side. And I'm just going to keep repeating that same step. You always want to take the cord that's on the outside of your braid and take it to the other side. And yeah, that's pretty much all we have to do. Once I've been braiding for a while, I'm going to check to see if this is long enough to fit my wrist yet, and it looks pretty good, so I'm ready to tie this up. By the way guys, I had so much extra cord left over because I used 48 inches to make this, so I made sure to adjust the sizes for you guys so that you don't have to waste so much cord like I did. Bring the bottom of your braid over to the top and cut out another piece of macrame cord so we can tie this off. And we're going to be doing a gathering knot to do this, and I completely suck at explaining how to tie a gathering knot, so you guys can just watch what I'm doing. Make sure to cut off any extra cord that's sticking out anywhere, and we're done. Okay guys, so for our second project, we're going to be making a coaster. I'm going to be using 3mm macrame cord, and so for this project, I'm going to use 12 pieces of cord at 40 inches long each. So you're going to want to take like a little wooden dowel or something that you can hang your cord onto, and we're going to be looping all 12 pieces using the lark's head knot. We're going to take the first 4 pieces and we're going to do a square knot. Take the piece on the left and have it do a little L over the 2 pieces in the middle. Now take the piece on the right and have it go over that piece that did the L, and then bring it under the 2 middle pieces and through that little loop right there, and then pull it and tighten it up. And so now we have half of a square knot, and we're going to do the same thing to finish this off, but only on the opposite side. Take the piece on the right and make it do the L over the 2 middle pieces. Now take the piece on the left and make it go over that piece and take it under the two middle pieces and pull it through, and now we have a full square knot. And that's all we're gonna do for the rest of this coaster, so just keep repeating that same step all the way towards the end of our first line. Okay, so for our second row, we're going to be doing the same thing, except we're going to skip the first two pieces of macrame cords and put those to the side. So just keep continuing to do your square knots. Once you get to the end of your second row, you should have 2 extra pieces of cord at the end. So for the third row, we're going to be doing our square knots from the very start using the first 4 pieces. And so for every other row, you're going to want to skip the first 2 pieces. So we're just going to be alternating. I ended up doing a total of 13 rows. You can do as many as you want, but just make sure that your finishing row is a row where you used all of the cords and didn't have like the extra 2 at the end or the beginning. Now I'm going to cut off the extra macrame cord that I didn't use. And I'm going to slide my coaster off of the dowel. And I'm just going to undo all of the lark's head knots. Using my scissors, I'm going to cut off the top of those loops. I'm measuring out how long the length is here because I like it and I want to do the same on the other side. And so for me, it was about 1.5 inches. Next, I'm going to comb out these ends, but first I'm going to unravel them to make it easier to comb through. And then I'm just going to give this a little haircut to make it neater. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this little macrame coaster. It is super cute and it looks way harder to make than it actually was. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and subscribe for more DIYs. And stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!